1. Coleman Gas Camping Stove Classic Propane Stove. Camp Chef, the way to cook outdoors. Don't be fooled by its size. The Everest 2-burner stove packs a lot of power under the hood. Two high-pressure 20,000 BTU burners pump out all the heat. 2. Stansport Outfitter Series Propane Camp Stove. 2 oversized, stainless steel burner heads with 25,000 BTU of cooking power plus a 5,500 BTU center griddle. The Stansport Outfitter series of stoves include features to increase performance and durability. 3. Camp Chef Explorer Double Burner Stove. When adventure calls, are you prepared to answer? With the Explorer 2-burner stove, you will be. The durable, versatile stove packs enough power in its 30,000. 4. GasOne GS80-100 Tank Camp Stove. Durable and compact, GasOne's GS8000 propane stove is the perfect appliance for campers or weekend warriors. Made with durable lightweight. 5. Carry Bag 2-burner gas. Rugged construction and durable patio cover, built sturdy and designed to last, the B5000 demonstrates the needed combination of power and control. Along with its rugged body, the double burner comes. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.